With the help of different pencils, HB, 2B, 4B, 6B, we will get the various strokes from thin to thick lines. For lighter strokes, we use HB and 2B pencil, and for darker strokes, we use 6B and 8B pencils. To understand the basic structure of a plant in 2D form, we will draw the plant with HB and 2B pencil. To understand the positive and negative space, we will draw a horizontal rectangle in which we will draw the plant's outer edges. For positive and negative space, fill the background with pencil shade evenly. To study the contour drawing, we will draw the same plant with rhythmic flow. For rhythmic flow, draw the plant with light and dark lines to show the volume in plant. In this study, pencil will be replaced by brush and ink, and to show the volume in plant, we will use light and dark strokes with the help of a single brush. In this study, we will draw the same plant, and with the help of different pencil ranges, we will get the various tones from light to dark. This will be the example of line, tone, space and value all together.